Hello, everybody. Today we are playing Choo Choo Charles. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god, dude, I'm so freaking scared. Whoopsie. What's nightmare mode? I'm not playing it though. Oh no, bro. Hardcore designed to make you rage quit. Darker atmosphere, only one life. Charles are stronger and more aggressive. Okay, well, let's just do classic mode. Dude, I'm so scared, actually.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends. And even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help an old friend.
Okay.
Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt.
Whoa, Jesus, I'm scared. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, cue the intro.
California dreaming about you.
The game auto saves.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga spider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet and places to see. Simple errands, you know. Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
Haha, there's a dead person. Okay, I only knew that because I saw a Miss Busting video on this. Why is there just a dead person there? I have nothing more to lose here. I've made up my mind to swim to the mainland, or at least try to. I likely won't make it, but I still see my chances being higher out there than on this forsaken rock. Oh, he just died. That's stupid. What an idiot. What an idiot.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill. One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there.
That's crazy. Okay, hurry up,
If we can get
Eugene.
to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
I have to press a button. Oh, shoot. Oh, it looks so ugly running. Yo, do I run faster than Eugene? A little bit faster, yeah. Okay, but otherwise I don't know what happens after that guy dies. Oh, where's Eugene? Is he still running? Where the hell is he? Oh, damn, he's fast.
Ah, shucks, it's locked. Not to worry, we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map, I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
Idiot. Oh, I hate that map. Wait, oh, it's it's not very far. It's why? What's the point of giving me a map when it's literally right here? Oh shit! Up the mountain. Yeah, it's like literally like a foot away. Yeah, that's an ugly key. Gay Charles.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
Oh, we need to repair. Oh, this is train health, and then we just have to level up the speed, damage, and armor level. Oh, frick, shucks, poops, farts. Ooh. Oh, that's actually cool. Oh, there's no aim on. There's no like crosshair on it though. And when you shoot, it pushes up. I don't think we have ammo on here, but whatever. Oh Jesus!
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use. We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Mm-hmm. Yep. The wall.
Yeah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him!
Ooh,
It's
frick.
him! Get to the gun! Light him up!
Oh, yo! It's
Don't
Charles!
let the gun overheat! He's not taking enough damage! Get some headshots!
The gun won't shoot anymore, bro. Get some headshots! Yo, Eugene! Yo! Eugene, you good?
This isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still fight like the old days. Yes, sir. Easy in, easy out. You'll need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs. Find my son.
So I'm probably dead, bro. Is Eugene literally dead? How do you crouch? Oh, you can't crouch in this game. All I know is Eugene is done for. Oh, this game is not in my favorites. I'm scared. Get out of my mind. Oh no, we still move? Let's go for this. The unmet NPC. What does this mean? Weapon mission. Required mission. Let's do the required mission here. Place a waypoint. Okay. Let's just get out of this. And I don't really know what, but I don't know. Oh shoot, I thought I was gonna fall up. Back here, does this still like change the direction? Track splits, the light is I don't know. Oh shoot, I accidentally escaped. Oh, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Frick, stop! Oh, no, just like stop. Forward. Alright, that's good. So I need to find some scraps so that we can 2 to 3 scraps. Decreases all damage taken on your train. Oh yeah, it's already cooked. I have 0 scraps. How lucky can I be? Stop the train. Something here. Hello.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you. There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train. Here's the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help. Anyone not wearing a mask, that is. check out the balcony and take whatever you can use. Good luck with everything.
Thank you, Stacy. You're so kind. Oh, you stupid idiot. You said you would give me the key. Idiot. Give me the key. Idiot. Idiot. Upstairs room. But how do you get into your house? Door don't work? That's sick. Oh, there's a lot of scraps. Perfect. Okay, that's all of it. Oh. That must have hurt my toesy woesies. So our train is very vulnerable. Okay, we got speed level 2, armor 2, everything 2. Wait, map. Oh, we are close. We are close. We are close. This map is pretty large, so I guess it's gonna be. Oh, but we are kind of large too. So Charles the Choo Choo will be around here soon. Stop the train. What is here? It says hope Charles isn't around here. Let's collect more scraps. Oh. Maybe there's masked guys that the girl told me not to go near. You never know, because there is a fire in the rain, so. Oh, it's a chill guy.
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful. One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat.
One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest into my yard.
I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them. Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. And I might just give you some scraps to help improve your train.
Okay, where is this thing? So it's like a bit to the over here, right? Like pointing in the right direction, a bit more like that. Yeah, right there. Oh, right here? Oh. Still a little mini game. Perfect. Something. Oh, this is a busted up train. You got any scraps for me? No, you probably don't, but whatever. Oh, dude, I hate this game. Not just like I like hate it and never want to play it again. It's just like it's scary. I don't like scary for some reason.
Fancy Fingers here got the chest unlocked.
Alrighty, I got some scraps. We're good. Wait, was that like that little quest near it? Let me check. Yeah, it was. I didn't even mean to do that quest. Just up here, so let's just keep going. If Charles comes, get on the train, get onto the gun. I'm pretty sure you can upgrade your gun to better things, like they hang right here. I don't know the whole thing.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
Okay.
This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however. Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death. Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs. There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Oh, dude, I have to go to a mine? Oh wait, I don't want to do it. All the way over there? God damn. Gotta go miles. Should I do a weapon mission? Because like it might be useful. But what the, what? Oh, like, oh, okay, that's it. Oh, right there. And then after we'll go over there. I just need the gun. Or it would be easier to kill Charles with the better gun, I'm guessing. Please don't say there's guards here, bro. Oh. What's up, boy?
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, it has slightly backfired. Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang. I would love to save the shed, though. If a flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it. I'd assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
I think so. Up here, let's go up here. It looks like a spot. Oh, frick! Ah, damn it. I started doing the little... I hate the little, like, over the side look. It's, like, kind of useless. Water on the shed. Oh! I'm a weirdie. Where's the flamethrower? Oh, scraps. Perfect. Yo, where's the flamethrower?
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo! Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this chaos. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Why does he keep saying shoot dang? Shoot dang. Yo, I'm excited. I'll be able to burn Charles to death. I think a little bit, maybe. Bug spray. Oh, that's gonna be nice. This game is not bad, actually. I don't hate it anymore. I don't know why I said I hated it. It's not that bad of a game. Right there. And then I could go investigate the little shed near it, too. I think I saw a shed. This must be a pretty quick game if like I'm already collecting the first egg and I started like 15 minutes ago. I don't know. Y'all correct me? Okay, whatever. Never mind. Nothing over there. How about this little shed? No way in? Oh, yeah, there is a way in. Let's go into this mine and see the masked people. I would probably take in the shovel to kill some of them, but whatever. Dude, I'm scared. I found a chest. Quickly. Oh, frick. Oh my god. Bro, it's so incredibly easy. I don't know why I'm sucking right now. And a boom, and a boom, and a boom. Ooh, green paint to paint my train. That's cool. Is there even anybody in this mine? Or not. I'm scared though. I think this is it. Dude, screw this game. Dude. Dude, when he walked right by me there, I got so freaking scared. Please tell me it's gonna be easy to escape. Just please tell me it's not. In these caves. Come on, just let me get out. Dude, my heart is beating so fast, dude. That scared me so much when he walked by. I don't know why. No, fuck, wrong way. Dude, get me out. I'm never doing that again. I got one of the eggs already. Oh my god. It scared me so much, bro. I want to get on this train before Charles gets by. Okay, let's go check. Should I do like a little tiny mission? There's a weapon mission over here that I could do. And then the required mission right by it. So yeah, let's do that. But where am I right now? I'll need to stop like right about here. So we might catch up on Charles. Nobody knows. Damage 1. Let me see how much damage this one does. Damage 2. This one's better. Wait, derailer. Yeah, this one's better than that. Dude, I hate this. No, I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. Well, that was quick. Are we close to the little turn thingy? Yeah, we are. Gotta go quick though. I'm scared. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I made it perfectly. Maybe, I don't know. Turn. Might have to like reverse a little. Yeah, let's reverse. Collect some scraps. I have a lot of scraps and I haven't used it on my train yet. It's everything. I thought it would be like a shed, but whatever. Let's go up a bit more. I'll stop like now. Just so I don't go too far. Dude, I'm scared. That's a lot of scraps, bruh. But I did get a lot of stuff. I think that's pretty good. Now, if I see Charles, run to my, you know, train. I wonder where he is. It's such a big map, and you expect me to, like, just know where he is? There's such a big map, and they expect me to, like, run into him. Maybe he, like, just spawns automatically near me to piece me off. But I wonder what kind of weapon we'll get here.
Paul asked me to design a new weapon to help you hunt Charles. And using my extensive demolitions experience, I made this rocket launcher. I've been wanting to see Warren's empire crumble for a long time. So building this puppy was a hell of an opportunity.
Nice.
Now that you're here, I need a few minutes to remove some safety features. While I'm working on that, why don't you bring that box of rocket ammunition back here from inside the bunker down the rail?
What bunker? Bro, what bunk? Dude, I hate you. I might do it, but I don't want to, really. Don't really want to. I'm just gonna stop at this little house right here because I want to check if they got any scraps for me. I need like a lot of scraps. That's so good.
I'm sure Eugene told you all about me, so I need not introduce myself. Name's Greg, by the way. In case you haven't heard already, Warren, the mine boss, is keeping 3 monster eggs locked away. We're unsure why he wants to protect the eggs. If they hatch, they would surely turn into monstrous creatures like Charles. To prevent this, we need you to steal all 3 and use them to bait Charles so we can destroy him. One of the eggs is in the north mine. Here's the key to the entrance.
Was that the quest? Okay, I'm not doing that mine. I'm going to this, and then I might do I want to do some side quests after I get the 2nd egg, and then just do the 3rd egg later. Because to be honest, if it's really just all that, if it's really just 3 eggs that you get so easily like that, I'm not going to do them all immediately, so I could do some other things. I don't want to read you! But I also don't want to go over there to another mine with some other masked dude. I'll just do it, man. What the freak? What the freak, Bob? This might not be a masked one. Maybe it is a masked one. Ooh, rocket. Wait, was that like what I needed? Time dynamite. I need rocket launcher. I need like the things that you put in, not like just explosives. Oh, for God's sakes. Dude, another freaking, oh my god. Dude, there's so many small oh, shoot, I forgot there was, I didn't even notice there was dynamite. Oh. That's all I had to do? There's nothing else here? Version 1 failed, version 2 failed, version 3 is 13-second flight, it's version 4. That's rocket launcher. Oh, so it's like 13-second flight. Like, the rocket launcher was in the air for that long. So, but he didn't call a 13-second airtime launch a success. Oh frick! Oh, frick. 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 I didn't even see frickin' Charles, man. Oh, for God's sakes, no. Frick. Dude, you're so freaking scary, you know that? Going for the headshots. Start up again! Oh, frick, my train's cooked. My train is cooked. Is there a way to get like around, like a turn down there? Frick. It'd be a long journey and I'd probably get caught up with Charles again. So I could just go reverse all the way back. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm not, but Charles went that way, so I'm scared. Dude. I'm gonna be right here just in case. Dude, why is it just constantly raining? I think the grass and trees got enough. There's a lighthouse over there. This is where it all started. So we're getting close. That's too far. Keep going. Oh no, it's like that. It's like spot on.
The launcher is in complete working order, so I'll let you take it from here. Oh, and take good care of it. After you're done, I have a few people to visit with it, if you catch my drift.
Let's go, we got a new gun. Whoa, I like green a little bit, just kidding. Looks horrible. Damage insane, rate slow. Okay, this is gonna be good, but like... yeah, it's, I guess, it's okay. But like, where should we go next? There's like the final mission. Like I'm on the second egg. Like, where is the final mission? I mean, there's another. Yeah, this is where I need to go get the second egg. Northern line have some I could. What I want to do is I want to go and wait. What is this? Required mission. Required mission. There's two. There's a couple required missions. I want to go get this one. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, where are we going? Let's go do this mission. Get to the egg location, and I think that would be it for this video. If the quest is like long and stuff, then I'm not gonna do it, but whatever. Put it right there, stop it, and then go. Ooh, scraps. Oh, it's all the way at the lighthouse. Any scraps on the way? Wouldn't mind if I had one. It's okay if you don't want me to have one. I don't care. Dude, it'd be crazy if Charles came at this time. It'd be horrible. My train was literally at the brink of death that second. Bro, let me in. Let's close. You can't close it.
We haven't met, but I've heard lots about you coming to help us.
Yeah, okay.
I have a favor to ask. The breakers on the side of the lighthouse need replacing. I was recently attacked by Charles, so I'm unable to do it myself. The breakers are in the nearby supply shed. If you go get them and repair the lighthouse, I can try signaling passing ships to come help us. Once you finish, I have some spare scraps to give you.
Okay, so where is this? Oh, it's just right there. It's not very far. I could do that. I kid you not. Bro, okay. I was just holding the wrong button when I was just hopefully not get attacked by Charles. I mean, I would like, if I heard him say stuff like that, like, today we're going all over the place to go kill them Charles. I would say, no, I'm not coming with you because I don't want to die. You're dead. You're cooked. You're cooked. This is a really easy mission of just walking down the hill. Bro, what the frick? Ooh. Ooh, God. We're cooked.
Fixing the lighthouse will definitely increase our chances of being spotted. Here are those scraps I promised.
Dude, where's my train? Okay, it's still here. I gotta get on there and head straight for the gun mission. And then to the mine. And then I think that's where we'll stop. Wait, how many can I have? I need 2 more. And up there. Right here. And then we'll go back around to do that one. Or should we just do this one? Doesn't really. Yeah, let's go get the thing. Okay, let's see if I can upgrade. Okay. My speed is cooking though. We are fresh on our speeds. Yo, I'm not even on the train. I think my train needs some armor. I think, oh wait, this thing, armor level is what gets your decreases all damage taken by your train. I don't really know, but I think like it upgrades your train and stuff. I think it just makes your train change its, like, looks and stuff. Oh frick! Ugh! Oh, reverse. Charles Choo Choo might be coming for us if I don't hurry up. Ah! It just scares me to step off my train. I mean, but like, if I'm gonna ride on my train and have, I like getting new guns and new colors and scraps. I don't like the missions where we have to go by the masked men. And why are they guarding it? I'm just gonna get rid of it. like, they should just let me have it so I could get rid of it. Maybe they don't trust me and maybe I just steal it. But last time it was kind of easy because all I had to do is just follow him, but maybe there's more than just one because that was too easy. There's no different, like, modes to this, so don't know. If it fell off my train, I'd be cooked. Oh yeah, I just drew everything. Well, I hope it works. We should be getting close. Yeah, we're close, and then I'll just go to this northern mine. Dude, I don't want to go to the northern mine. I hate those. Arizona's getting scary. Stop. Stop, please. Stop, please. Any loot? I need to repair my train. Oh, frick, this is the mine. No, I'm not doing the mine. Or at least not now. I mean, I might be get petrified and then get like an insane heartbeat level boosted up to the top from this game, but like, I'll do it later, you know? And like, there's more required missions. And it doesn't tell you like how close you are to beating the game, like 15% or like 35%. Or I feel like I might be pretty close because like I got a lot of stuff done already in a short period of time too. I gotta overpower Choo Charles to kill him. Or I need to overpower him, not like power him up, like make him all stuff and stuff.
The fabled hunter
You look
has
ugly.
finally arrived.
Bro.
You know, my late husband built a gun to help fight Charles, but Warren's goons stole the barrels and took them up to their camp.
Bro, why do I always have to get barrels? Okay, I don't care.
Bob was such a brave man. Much braver than you, I bet. If you take what I have left of the gun and steal back those other parts, you can put it back together to use against Charles. Just do me one favor, will you? If you do end up using it, name it Bob, in memory of my honey.
Bro! Oh, dude. I still need to go to the camp. Let's see, I can go down here. When I get here, I just go up and around to the mine. Okay. But if I have to bring it back to her, then I'll just do that and then rewind. Or like back up. I didn't mean to say rewind, but. Okay, so we have to stop here twice. Like, bro, I'll probably just like do whatever. I'll stop the train right there, do that, go over there, stop it, do that, run over it, grab up. No, I'll just bring the train over, I don't care. I don't know why I'm thinking of this stuff. There's no point in thinking. Bug spray, derailer. Well, that's a pretty cool name because I think you'd be like derailing the trains, you know. I like to stop it right when I come by these signs. Oh, maybe a little bit too much. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, it's already. Is it going the right way? No. And just up ahead, I should have to do it again. What way? That way. Okay. Yeah. Stop it. It's quite miles away. Let's move up a bit more. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's not gonna work. Oh, wait. It's already the right way. Shoot. Stinky me. Oh, frick. They found me. I'm shooting the train.
Over here!
Wait. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this.
Where did he come from?
Where did he? Go there. Grab this rocket launcher. Oh wait, that's what my plan is, but let's just reverse, take out the Le Bom Bom.
We got company!
Frick, man, I'm messing up my stunt. Shoot, turn around, bro. You're going too far. For goodness sake. Ooh, idiot. Why can't I just put on their masks? I don't like their masks. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, I just want to go over there and repair my train because it looked pretty broken. Okay. Yeah, why don't they just put on a mask? They won't kill me. They might ask who I am, but like I'll just say, shut the hell up. Okay, back to being a sneaker. Wait, why did I come here? I didn't mean to come here. I was going to get the... Oh wait, this is where it is. The Gooners. A key. Scraps. Let's go around. I need to check more spots. I only checked that. That's not enough. I don't know where this ammunition is, bro. Or whatever I'm supposed to be looking for. Oh, I think I found it. Oh, Bob acquired. Dude, I hate why she asked me to name it Bob. Like Bob the Gooner. Bob. Well, let me see something really quickly. Exit. Damage, slowing, range is crazy. So I guess this is like my best weapon right now. I should probably equip it. It's pretty slow though, that's the only problem. Alright, so let's see where we're going next. Oh, Northern Mine. Frick. Yo, you're going the wrong way. Oh wait, never mind. Right here, Charles, go forward, get the gun. Are we finna beat the game? No, we're gonna make it parts. I'm sorry, but if you're watching this on my doubled content that might be coming out later, y'all are bangers. Yeah, I'm gonna make both the clips into one video. But whatever, y'all are gay, y'all are gooners, and that's alright. Y'all are gooners. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't hear. What is his name? Charles. So freaking scary. I hear him. Yo. I would stop it now. I want to try not to die. Now I'm really scared that I'm gonna get killed. Oh, for God's sakes, how do I escape? Goons are gonna kill me, bro. These goons are gonna goon. Oh shoot, what the hell? Holy crap.
I'm gonna shoot you!
Okay. Oh my god, what the hell? Why are they still after me? Oh shoot, man.
You better run! You better hold your fast!
Okay, well, they don't really scare me that much anymore. They're just kind of annoying. I'm just gonna say that. Wait, pause the game for a second. Yeah. What's in my inventory? The egg, lockpick, and 7 scraps.
You're in the wrong place, my friend!
Oh my god, what the hell?
No trespassing! You better hope you're fast! Blast him!
Okay, it's not that bad to get through them now, but holy crap. I was holding my breath the whole time, bro. That was horrifying. I gotta heal up, though, because they shot me a lot, and I was like one shot while trying to run out of there. There was 2 of them, I remember. Can't fool me. Really, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this and then we're cooked. I mean, not cooked, what the... Finished with the game. For now.
No visitors allowed!
Oh, man, all I want to do now is just make sure that I don't get caught by Charles. It's all I want. Literally all I want. Because look, I'm so close. There's no Charles. Oh shit. No way I got in here alive.
You're the archivist my father told me about.
I think so. Okay, I'm Z.
Although, I'm disappointed to see that he chose to stay on the mainland rather than return with you.
Dude, that was horrifying. I
Not to
hate
say
this
that your
game.
help isn't appreciated, but we could have used his aid as well. If you haven't already heard from the others, the mine boss Warren is protecting dangerous monster eggs that could lead to catastrophe. While our main plan is to summon Charles into a duel and fight him to the death, we've devised a perfect trap as a precaution that may help defeat him. Go attach these remote explosives to each of the support pillars under the wood bridge out there. Then meet me back here.
No. Lima. Bro, why is he just standing? Why is he just running around? Like, go home. Finally. Oh my god. He's just not gonna leave, isn't he? Perfect. Get inside. That's what you can't do anything up here. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Part 2 coming out soon. This game is horrifying and I hate it so much. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to play this game anymore. That was horrible. Stat. Bye, guys. I'm gonna goon on your base.